Better come correct. Bring the beat back. Bounce that ass, girl. Shake that ass, girl. Let's go, boy. Don't stop. Bounce that ass.
Hi everyone, welcome to our ZDZ Audio. Today I got a new product for you here. You can see this is the surface of the speaker, and this is the side of the speaker, and this is the back of it. So this one is a 10-inch professional speakers, and you can see the special design like the basket here, and also you can see the magnet here, right? And you can remember the name is TN-10FH520. And this one we use a 3 inches voice coil and also 8 ohms impedance. And the special design here I want to introduce to you is this basket here. You can listen to her, you can hear it. And about the special nut here. The special nut here, the function of it is to protect the voice coil here, because you can see it's between the magnet and the spider, so it can prevent the dust entering in these spaces. So if you like it, you can take a picture and send it to our staffs. So see you next time. Bye.